What is this little tiny hole in my window? I'll explain.
Desert King windows, we knock out the weather.
Weep holes. That's what these little things are called right here. It's a little hole, and there's another one right over here. This one just has a door on it. And what that is the drain hole of the window drainage system. Think about it this way. When a sliding window, especially a sliding window, gets a tremendous amount of rain to it, well, it's not built for a submarine. So if it takes on a lot of water, the water's gotta go somewhere. If you look over here, you got a little tiny drainage hole right there. And so that means water can't fill in right there, right? So it's gonna go into there, into the frame through the various channels, and it comes out this little weep hole. This one's got a little door on there to cover it, so that way a bunch of bugs can't get in there or anything like that and nest in there. But not all windows have a little cover. Sometimes the covers, they can, after a while, sometimes they can get a little funky, so some manufacturers go without them completely. So you can see another drainage hole right there. So that way you don't have standing water in your windows. If this thing is taking direct rain, absolute direct rain, what it can do is right in here, you can actually get a little bit of water that goes in there. If it's going into the track itself, you don't want it to just sit there, right? So that's what makes it drain all out. This track right here is removable. Okay, so if you ever see water start to pool up in here, then the sash comes out, this right here, this track pops out, and then you can see down underneath there, it could be clogged. There could be dirt in there. In the manufacturing process, there could be some little debris in there. Easy to fix. Put a little bit of either compressed air in there, blow it all out, or you can put just even a garden hose kind of a thing in there, and that can spray it all out. You can even spray inside the track here and let it all start to clear out. And also another way to clean it, they actually have a special brush out there that it's basically on a aluminum kind of a thing with like a pipe cleaner, and you can actually get in there too if you need to. Those are a few different things that you can do to make sure your drainage system is working properly, because if it's raining like crazy outside and you're getting like an entire inch in a day or even more, well, you don't want to wait till then to realize that you have a drainage problem on your windows, because you could get a backup in there and you could even get some water in the house. So you want to make sure that that's part of the cleaning and maintenance part of it. And that's not just replacement windows, that's all windows in general. Any sliding windows like that, the windows that go up and down, sometimes they have which are hung windows, sometimes they have a slope and they don't have the weep hole. That's fine too, it's just easier to maintain. But if they do have the drain holes and the weep holes, you want to make sure that they're nice and clean and clear. All right, well, let's test it out. I got a cup of water here. I've never done that with this particular window because, well, we're inside, so I've never had to worry about this window staying clean. So I'm hoping this will work. So let's go ahead and pour them in here. We're gonna start in the track. Oh, see the drain going down? It's draining. Now where's it going? And there it is. Now, that took a few seconds to get all the way out of there because it goes through quite a bit. Now we're gonna leave that right there. Choosing new windows can be overwhelming. There's tons of information out there and AI might miss the mark. But our free window buyer's guide, backed by 25 years of experience, makes it simple. No overcomplicated jargon, just facts to help you decide with confidence. And don't forget to get 3 bids. And if you're in one of our areas, make sure Desert King Windows is on your list. You'll be glad you did.
We use the best windows, 'cause nothing works better. Desert King windows, we knock out the weather.